PVACreator 4 comes with new generation and upgraded with user-friendly UI as well as handy new features. Here are suggested services that may boost your business along with PVACreator listed in Home. Click them to see details if you're interested. On the Creator page, you can import proxies and user agents for profile creation. Want to know more about that? Please find the tutorial on our YouTube channel. In the settings, Run CCleaner is for auto file cleaning and Change Mac is for auto MAC address changing when creating accounts. Both of two require standalone programs to install. And we'll share the download link down here. Campaign count means how many campaigns you want to run at a time. Thread count decides how many accounts you want to create in a selected campaign at the same time. Select correct type of proxy where you cannot get connected as intended. This field can be auto-filled in when you install Chrome before launching the program. You can print your API keys on the service board for using SMS and/or CAPTCHA service. Don't miss out selecting the default service you want to use. For some platforms of accounts creation, you still need to fill in complete information while creating campaigns. If you want to edit account info when some of profiles are created in a campaign, do not edit and save it inside the Data Manage or you will lose those successful creations. It's suggested to double-click the field you want to edit on the Accounts board. And when you're done, drop down Account Manage and choose Save Account. You can bind fingerprints to the account here. See details in a video shared early in our channel. Click Open Accounts file, and you can see brief account info in a TXT file. You can export created accounts to a file. And here we have 3 templates to export. I get some Amazon accounts created, so I'll take Mschief as an example. Select the account type and the path to save. By the way, you can also customize profile info to export on Accounts board by selecting needed column. For keeping those accounts active in a stealth browser, create a group on the browser board. You know we are talking about another way to export. Find the little triangle close to Export Accounts. Click on it and choose the group to export in the browser, and you can see all chosen accounts are transferred from the creator to the browser. This will keep the browser identities, fingerprints, the account cache, etc., which makes it safer to use accounts and avoid shadow bans or blocks. These on the settings board are applied on exported accounts in browser instead of the creator. You can back up the browser data, which can protect your data from losing. That's all we want to share in this video. If you have any questions about the software, feel free to leave a message down here or check on the official website for more details, and we will get you replied at the soonest. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel now. More informative videos are coming soon. Be ready for that, and we will see you soon.